We are here at we are here at the warehouse. Just wanting to.
No, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Don't worry. Okay, we'll get out the way.
Go ahead.
You wanna go get Gary first?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Okay, you ain't got a phone on here. Hey guys, we are here in the warehouse with Gary, and he's gonna kind of show us what we have left. We talked about getting rid of old inventory for new inventory, so we have some things left that we're trying to get out. So it is at a discount, so we can get it out.
No, go ahead, Gary. Tell us
What
what
we
you.
got today, Corey, Gary.
Well, it's not necessarily old inventory, but we do have a good supply of Dtf powder,
Okay.
UV Dtf powder. This is
UV DTF powder?
I'm sorry, UV Dtf film.
Film. Okay, and then the powder, is that fine or coarse?
Fine.
Fine powder.
I do have
DTF.
some coarse here somewhere, but
And
we
then,
sell a lot more of the fine. This is all Dtf film here.
and is this is the 5-layer film, PET film that we have in our shop? Okay.
Correct.
So that is that film.
I think there's more up there.
More film.
More film up there.
Do you want to do these right here?
That's print vinyl,
Printable
54-inch matte and gloss.
matte and gloss. And glow in the dark.
And then there's 10 rolls of the glow in the dark vinyl. It's a really nice, it's thick. It's like 9 mil thick, really heavy stuff. But the glow in the dark is great. We've tested it and it performs really well.
Nice.
So back here, let's see. You can see all of these up here on the top.
Oh, the shaker.
Those are the shakers that have the IFA style that have the filter on the side.
The built-in filtration. Are those it? The iPod?
Well, it's a built-in filter, yeah.
And those are all the 24-inch.
24-inch, yeah. There's more back there. These here have the recirculation. These are the Joe.
Mr. Joe's. Okay.
Oh,
These are the, yeah.
go ahead.
These need the filter, the external filter, smoke.
The fume
filter.
extractors. These need the fume extractors, but they have
Correct.
the auto powder circulation.
Correct.
These have auto filtration, but not auto powder circulation.
Correct. And so you can see these, the ones that have the metal trim are the ones from Mr. Joe. And the ones that look a little bit like almost like a cedar look to it.
With the bolts.
Yeah, all the way.
There's some back there, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We have about 20 something of the
white tops. The filtration.
yeah, from the one that has the built-in filter. And then I think there's 13 or 14 of these that have the recirculation. I
Okay.
just sold some, so I need to go check and see what.
Do
Okay.
you have any more fume extractors or ionizers?
Well, there's, I saw one of the ionizers up front.
Oh yeah, I did see that.
They're buried back there, but we have as many for every Joe shaker that I bought. I bought the fume extractors. So we have enough for everyone.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
we should have about 13, 14 of those.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh.
What?
And I have a lot of the spare filters. I just have to find them. But
Okay.
there's like
Well, because we just sold 2
Yes.
and we kept 2 dryers. So we're 2 down because we're going to put those 2 dryers in the store, which will need a fume extractor. At least one of them will. So we got to be conscious of that.
They used to be over here, but I think they got buried back there. So we'll dig those out.
Okay.
Okay.
And the next shipment that goes down, we'll send you
Okay.
whatever you need.
All right. So guys, there you have it. That is
Oh,
what
no,
we
the
have.
UV printer?
Yeah.
That one's for sale. Walk us over there.
Okay. This is it's a little 30 centimeter, 12-inch model, but a really nice, such a solid machine, and has a really good built-in laminator. I also have separate mini laminators
Really?
that are like $100 a piece.
Okay.
Plus, we also have those roll holder, the little roll dispenser, and the film cutters with the wheel, like the straight cutters.
Yep.
We have
Yep.
those in stock as well. So if you're interested in any of these items, products, consumables, you can contact us at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com and just let us know what you're interested in. We can get you over that price.
All right, guys. So we are about to head back to Houston. We will be back up here next week for an event across the street at Mamaki. We will also be here next week to go to Gary's new shop and show you guys that warehouse and everything he has going on over there. It's a lot. we're going to show you guys a lot over there. We can't wait for next week. And then we will also be back in Fort Worth for impressions as well. These guys are coming through.
Right?
Everything's got to go. Everything that you guys have seen, it's all got to go. We got it priced at a wholesale price. So it's priced for you guys to be able to buy it and use it, or it's priced for you guys to be able to buy it and sell it at a higher price. We're wholesaling it all. We got to get it going so that we can get all of the new equipment. You guys might have seen like a few little tidbits and stuff like that of the new style dryers where you lift the top off and it shuts down, has the vacuum, keeping the powder out of the air. There's a lot of other new features as well. We also got the big 63-inch shaker. There's actually one out in California right now, so there's a lot that we're working on with Gary. So just stay tuned. Again, just contact us at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com. If you guys need any of the items that you've seen in these videos, let's make a deal. Let's get all this stuff going so that we can get the best new quality equipment here, right here in Texas, and to you throughout the nation. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.